Okay, everybody, this is MickCotton's barbecue, and I'm going to make some fried chicken. This is MickCotton, and look what I have. 10 pieces chicken thighs, $5.53 for 10 pieces. Look at all that chicken. I can't believe this. Ralph's. $5.53 for all that chicken. That would cost $18 to $25 at Popeyes. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to break it open. I'm going to put half of it in a plastic bag and freeze it. One, two, three, four. Okay. Wash my hands. I guess it was only 8 pieces this time. I'm going to take my Dixie fry. Dixie fry. So easy. Open it up. Pour it all in the bag. Dixie fry. Now I'm going to take the chicken and trim it. You don't need that. That looks pretty good. That's a good piece. Extra fat, extra skin. You don't need it. Extra skin. Just cut it up. Oh, I got 5. Trim, just a little. You don't need all this gristle here. Trim. Look at all this. Trim. Nice. Nice pieces of chicken. I'm going to put them in the bag. I'm going to take this and throw it away. Let me wash my hands. And the scissors. Seal the bag up and toss it. See all that? See that Dixie fry and that chicken? Mix it up like you're making fried chicken from scratch. Get it all in there. That's going to be good. Get that chicken every nook and cranny. I'll take the empty papers. I want to tell you guys, I bought this Kamchatka vodka, and it's the worst vodka I have ever had in my life. Never buy this. This was 14 bucks, and it's vodka with premium liqueur. It's awful. Don't ever buy this. Buy Tito's. Anything else is better than this crap. This is awful. I'm going to put all this chicken in the freezer. And I'll have that chicken for the barbecue smoker maybe tomorrow. Freezer chicken. $2.50. $5. Dixie fry. There's also another bag in here. I can do another round. So here's what you do. Take your baking sheet. And you spray with a little cooking canola oil. Just a little. Not too much. You don't need that much. Here I go. Shake off, put on. Skin side up. Look at all that left. I can do that whole package with just one package of Dixie Fry. And I think I'll do that. But for now, that's what I got. Let me wash my hands. Doing the best I can. Now I'm going to take this and put it in my oven. It's at 400 degrees. And I'm going to cook it for 50 minutes. That's it. I'm going to set the timer. There, it's all set. I'm going to have chicken in about an hour. Love and aloha, peace and love. MickCotton's barbecue, making Dixie fried chicken. It's going to be good. Aloha.